Welcome to this module on Google Cloud Resource Hierarchy. In the previous session, we explored cloud computing fundamentals and created our Google Cloud account. Now we're going to learn one of the most important foundational concepts in Google Cloud: how resources are organized. Before deploying any virtual machine, database, or storage service, every cloud engineer must understand the Google Cloud hierarchy. This hierarchy helps organizations organize resources, manage costs, control access, separate environments, improve governance. Let's begin. Why do we need a hierarchy? Imagine a company with multiple teams: front-end team, product team, payments team. Each team has development environments, testing environments, production environments. Without structure, it becomes extremely difficult to answer questions like, which team is spending the most? Which environment generates the highest costs? Who owns specific resources? How should permissions be managed? Google Cloud solves this using a structured hierarchy. Google Cloud Hierarchy. The Google Cloud hierarchy consists of 4 levels: organization, folder, project, resources, organization. The organization is the highest level. It usually represents the entire company. Examples: ABC Technologies, XYZ Retail, Global Financial Services. Organizations are typically created using Google Workspace. Think of the organization as the digital representation of your company inside Google Cloud. Folders. Folders help organize resources. Common examples include environment-based, development, staging, production, or department-based, engineering, finance, marketing. Folders are optional but highly recommended. They provide additional structure and simplify administration. Projects. Projects are the most important unit in Google Cloud. Every resource must belong to a project. Examples: Payments Dev, Payments Prod, UIT Map, Customer Portal. Projects act as administrative boundaries, billing boundaries, resource boundaries. Most cloud activities happen at the project level. Resources. Resources are the actual cloud services you create. Examples: virtual machines, cloud storage buckets, databases, load balancers, Kubernetes clusters. Resources always reside within a project. Real-world example: imagine an e-commerce company. Organization: XYZ Retail. Folders: development, production, projects, payments app, product catalog, customer portal. Resources: VM instances, storage buckets, databases. This structure makes ownership and cost tracking much easier. Conclusion: in this session we learned why Google Cloud uses hierarchy: organization, folder, project, resource. In the next module, we'll learn how projects and billing work together to provide visibility and cost control. Welcome back. Now that we understand Google Cloud hierarchy, let's talk about something every organization cares about: cost. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is that organizations only pay for what they use. However, without proper cost tracking, cloud spending can quickly become difficult to manage. This is where projects and billing become essential. Why cost visibility matters. Consider an organization with multiple teams: UI team, payments team, product team. Each team consumes resources such as virtual machines, databases, storage, networking. Management often asks questions like, how much does the payments team spend? Which project is generating the highest cost? Where can costs be reduced? Without proper project structure, answering these questions becomes difficult. Projects create cost boundaries. In Google Cloud, each project acts as a billing boundary. For example, Payments Project contains payment APIs, databases, payment VMs. UI Project contains front-end applications, storage, load balancers. Google Cloud automatically tracks spending at the project level. This makes cost analysis straightforward. Billing accounts. Every Google Cloud project must be connected to a billing account. Billing accounts are responsible for tracking usage, recording charges, managing payments, A single billing account can support one project, multiple projects, entire organizations, depending on company requirements. Free trial billing. If you're learning Google Cloud, you automatically receive free trial credits. A default billing account. This allows you to experiment with resources while learning. However, remember, resources created beyond free tier limits may generate charges. Best practices. Always check mark button create projects logically. Check mark button separate development and production. Check mark button group related workloads together. Check mark button monitor spending regularly. Check mark button review billing reports periodically. Proper structure simplifies management and cost optimization. Conclusion. Today we learned why billing matters, project level cost management, billing accounts, cost visibility. Next, we'll learn how to proactively control spending using budgets and budget alerts. Welcome back. One of the most common challenges for beginners and organizations is unexpected cloud spending. Imagine accidentally creating multiple virtual machines, large databases, high-performance storage. Without monitoring, costs can grow quickly. Fortunately, Google Cloud provides a powerful solution: budgets and budget alerts. What is a budget? A budget defines the amount you're willing to spend during a specific period. Examples: 500 Indian rupees per month, 1,000 Indian rupees per month, $50 per month. Budgets help keep cloud spending predictable. Why budget alerts are important. Consider a situation where a developer accidentally deploys 20 virtual machines, large storage resources. Instead of discovering the issue at month end, Google Cloud can notify you immediately. This helps prevent unnecessary spending. How budget alerts work. You define total budget. Example: 1,000 Indian rupees per month. Then configure alert thresholds such as 50%. Notify when 500 Indian rupees is spent. 90%. Notify when 900 Indian rupees is spent. 100%. Notify when 1,000 Indian rupees is spent. Alerts are usually sent via email. Real-world example. Suppose the payments project receives a budget of 2,000 Indian rupees per month. Alert levels. 50% equals 1,000 Indian rupees. 80% equals 1,600 Indian rupees. 100% equals 2,000 Indian rupees. As the project approaches these limits, administrators receive notifications and can take corrective actions. Cost optimization strategies. Budget alerts help reveal opportunities to optimize costs. Common actions include right-sizing resources, reduce oversized virtual machines, removing unused resources, delete abandoned instances and disks, using lower-cost storage, move older files to cheaper storage classes, reviewing idle services, identify resources that are running but not being used. Why this matters. Cloud computing provides flexibility, but flexibility without monitoring can increase costs. Budget alerts help organizations control spending, improve governance, reduce wastage, promote accountability. This is one of the reasons cloud platforms remain both scalable and cost-efficient. Conclusion. In this module we learned what budgets are, why budget alerts matter, how alerts work, cost optimization fundamentals. By combining resource hierarchy, project management, billing control, budget monitoring, organizations can operate efficiently and maintain complete visibility over their cloud spending. In the next module, we'll move into our first core Google Cloud service and learn how to create and manage virtual machines using Compute Engine.